Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Peter Obi criticized arrest and abductions of leaders. Flying Eagles hold Morocco in tough draw. Afrobeat star Seun Kuti narrowly escapes stray bullets in US hotel. And now full details of the news. As the world marked World Press Freedom Day 2025, media experts in Kano have warned that artificial intelligence could sideline minority voice in journalism. At an event by the Center for Information Technology and Development, lecturer Salihu Sule Khalid said, while AI boosts newsroom speed, it cannot replace human judgment and ethics. Experts also cautioned that without proper regulation, AI risks amplifying only dominant voices, spreading misinformation, and threatening democracy. Journalists were urged to embrace AI as a tool, not a threat, and equip themselves to use it responsibly. The Labour Party's 2023 presidential candidate, Peter Obi, has condemned the recent arrest of Martins Vincent Ose, known as Very Dark Man, describing the operation as resembling an abduction that fosters fear and undermines national security. Obi also voiced concerns over the alleged kidnapping of Inan's president, raising fears about the shrinking space for youth voices and democratic accountability. He criticized the methods used, highlighting the impact on Nigerians' reputation and economy, and called for justice and transparency in the treatment of citizens and leaders alike, urging a return to dignity and rule of law. Nigeria's Vice President, Kashim Shettima, joined several African leaders to witness the inauguration of President Bruce Clotaire Oligui Nguema of Gabon. The ceremony took place in Libreville and marked Gabon's return to democratic rule after Nguema's victory in April's election. Nguema, who was interim leader for 20 months, pledged to address security, crime, and access to clean water, emphasizing regional cooperation and peace. Shettima's presence highlighted Nigerians' commitment to supporting stable democratic transitions across Africa. The event featured cultural displays, military parades, and attended by leaders from across the continent, including President Kagame, President Mahama, and others. And on the international scene, in a historic first, a faith-focused event took place just steps from the Oval Office on April 25th, as pastors and worshippers gathered in the Eisenhower Executive Office building to celebrate faith and truth in America. Organized by White House Faith Office, the event marked a significant moment for religious expression within the federal government. Led by Pastor Paula White-Cain and Jenny Cohn, the new office aims to support religious freedom, address anti-Christian biases, and bring faith into government policy, a move unprecedented inside the executive branch of White House officials says it's just the beginning of increased faith engagement at the highest levels of government. And now we dive into the world of sports. The Flying Eagles of Nigeria have earned praises after a spirited performance last night in their Group B clash against Morocco at the June 30th Air Defense Stadium in Cairo. Captain Daniel Bamiyi, who was named man of the match, applauded his teammates for their grit and determination, saying it was a good one. The under-20 squad, led by coach Aliou Zubeiru, held their own against a French Moroccan side, with Bamiyi also crediting the coaching crew's tactical plan for the team's strong showing. Next up for the seven-time African champions is a crucial tie against Kenya on Wednesday as they look to secure a spot in the knockout stage. Up next is the entertainment news. Nigerian Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti has shared a shocking moment after a stray bullet shot through his hotel room window in the United States. Taken to Instagram, Seun posted a video showing the bullet hole and expressing his disbelief, saying, "Boom," as he described the frightening experience.
Okay, tell me you're in America without telling me you're in America, right? This, my hotel room, just chilling, and boom! Look at that shit.
He remarked on the incident's timing and questioned safety and order in the West. While he hasn't revealed the city, Seun assures fans he is safe. The post has sparked concerns among followers worldwide. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as all our social media platforms on our unified handle at Procyon RTV. Visit our website at www.procyonnews.com to get the latest news updates. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.